Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a Casio Solar with module number 5208 if the analog hands and the digital time are not matching. As you can see right now, the analog hands are showing 1946 and the digital display is showing 1731. First step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button, the left bottom button few times until you see the time, the day or the date. Press and hold the adjust button, the top left button until you see edge set on the screen and wait for the hands to stop moving. The hands should have stopped at 0.00, that is midnight time, as shown on the display. As you can see, the hands are 2 hours and 15 minutes ahead of the display time. So we're gonna use the two buttons on the right side of the watch to move the hands to pole 0.00, vertically pointing upwards towards the 12 mark. Once you're done, press the adjust button once to exit the setting. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.